Video title: Get more views on YouTube in 5 minutes. Are you a content creator struggling to get more views on your YouTube videos? Look no further. In this video, we will share 5 proven strategies to boost your views and grow your YouTube channel. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced YouTuber, these tips will help you increase your video visibility and attract a larger audience. Learn how to optimize your video titles, descriptions, thumbnails, engage with your viewers, leverage social media, and collaborate with other content creators. Don't miss out on these valuable insights. Watch now to skyrocket your YouTube views in just 5 minutes. Keywords of this video: YouTube views, increase views, boost channel growth, video optimization, engage with viewers. Intro. Text on screen: Get more views on YouTube in 5 minutes. Welcome back to our channel, fellow content creators. Are you looking for innovative ways to get more views on your YouTube videos? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we will reveal 5 powerful strategies to attract a larger audience and boost your views. Whether you're new to YouTube or have been struggling to grow your channel, these tips are bound to help you out. So, let's jump right in and discover how you can increase your YouTube views in just 5 minutes. Strategy 1: Optimize your video titles. The first step to getting more views on YouTube is optimizing your video titles. A compelling title can grab the attention of potential viewers and entice them to click on your video. Make sure your title is descriptive, engaging, and includes relevant keywords relating to your content. A well-crafted title can dramatically increase your video's visibility and attract more viewers to your channel. Strategy 2: Craft captivating descriptions. The next strategy to enhance your views is by crafting captivating descriptions for your videos. The description is an opportunity to provide additional context, key points, and links to related content. It's essential to include relevant keywords in your description, as it helps YouTube's algorithm understand the content of your video and display it to the right audience. Don't forget to utilize timestamps for easy navigation and add a call to action to encourage viewers to like, subscribe, and share your video. Strategy 3: Create eye-catching thumbnails. Text on screen. Strategy 3: Create eye-catching thumbnails. One of the most effective ways to capture your audience's attention is by creating eye-catching thumbnails. A visually appealing thumbnail can make your video stand out amongst the sea of content on YouTube. Use high-quality images, bold text, and vibrant colors to make your thumbnail visually enticing. Ensure that your thumbnail accurately represents your video's content, as misleading thumbnails can harm your channel's credibility and result in disengagement from viewers. Strategy 4: Engage with your viewers. Engagement is crucial for building a loyal viewership and increasing your YouTube views. Responding to comments, asking questions, and fostering a sense of community are excellent ways to engage with your viewers. Make an effort to reply to as many comments as possible, show appreciation for feedback, and encourage conversations within your video's comment section. Engaged viewers are more likely to stay subscribed and recommend your content to others. Strategy 5: Leverage social media and collaborate. Narrator. Lastly, to maximize your YouTube views, it's essential to leverage the power of social media and collaborate with other content creators. Share your videos across your social media platforms to reach a broader audience and attract new viewers to your channel. Additionally, consider collaborating with fellow YouTubers in your niche. Collaborations expose your content to a new audience, providing an opportunity to gain more views and subscribers. Text on screen. Implement these strategies and skyrocket your YouTube views. Narrator. And there you have it. 5 strategies to get more views on YouTube in just 5 minutes. Remember, optimizing your titles, crafting captivating descriptions, creating eye-catching thumbnails, engaging with your viewers, and leveraging social media and collaborations will greatly enhance your video's visibility and increase your channel growth. These proven tactics work for content creators at all levels. So, start implementing them today and watch your YouTube views soar. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to grow your YouTube presence. Text on screen. Thank you for watching.